Hi dear children, welcome back to our chemistry class. I hope all are safe in your home. Dear children, how can you differentiate salt and sugar? Yes, just taste it and their shape. Both are solid, no, salt and sugar is solid. If you taste that one, you can identify, oh, this one is a salt, this one is sugar. How? Because the salt is made up of sodium and chlorine. Okay, that means sodium and chlorine. So it is a combination sodium chloride. Okay, sodium chloride, sodium and chlorine. Okay, but sugar carbon is there, hydrogen is there, oxygen is there. That means they are made up of different types of atoms. Okay, different kinds of atoms. So salt is made up of sodium and chlorine. Sugar is made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. That means their composition is different. Okay, their atoms are different. Okay, clear no. If we take a water and boil, both are liquid no. Water is a liquid, boil is a liquid. But water, yeah, we know water moves fastly than oil. Okay, because they are made up of different types of atoms. They are kinds of atom, different kinds of atoms. So dear children, matter. Matter is anything which has mass and occupies space. You already studied, no? So matter is divided into two living and a non-living thing. Matter is divided into two living and a non-living thing. We know the substance are made up of different types of atoms, different kinds of matter. Okay, so non-living things again divided into pure and impure substance. Matter, yeah, that non-living things is divided into pure and impure substances. Okay, pure and impure substances. Some substance is pure, maybe some other substance is impure substance. Okay, so pure substance again divided into two elements and compounds. Pure substance is again divided into two elements and compounds. Okay, impure substance is divided into two homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so impure substance are mixture if it may be homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. These elements again divided into four elements, again divided into two. It is very important categorization of elements. Okay, that is metals, non-metals, metalloids, noble gas or inert gases. Noble gas is otherwise known as inert gases. We already studied now. So elements are divided into metals, non-metals, metalloids, noble gas or inert gases. Okay, elements are divided into four: metals, non-metals, metalloids, noble gas or inert gases. So matter is divided into two living and non-living things. Non-living things divided into two: pure substance and impure substance. Impure substance is divided into two: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Pure substance is divided into two: elements and compounds. Okay, elements again categorized or split into four: metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble or inert gases. Metal, non-metal, metalloids, noble or inert gases. Is it clear now, dear children? Dear children, we can discuss one by one. First one is pure substance. Pure substance have definite composition. Okay, all the pure substance have definite composition which has consistent property. Okay, which has consistent properties. What it is called? Pure substance. Pure substance have definite composition is that. Water is a pure substance. It have definite composition is that. That means hydrogen. Water is made up with hydrogen and oxygen. So in water, hydrogen and oxygen only. It has definite composition is there. Okay, okay, clear. So salt is sodium and chlorine. Okay, salt's formula is sodium chloride. So it is a sodium and chlorine. Okay, dear children. So we can say pure substance have definite composition. Pure substance have definite composition. Okay, next point, it has characteristic color, odor, taste is the examples of a pure substance. Please note water, copper, gold, silver, iron. Okay, so these all substance of color is the gold. Color is there? No. Silver, silvery color is there? No. We know that. Okay. So color is there. Taste is there. Okay. Odor is there. Oxygen. Okay. Like that, nitrogen. All the elements. Okay. These are odor, color, taste. Everything is there. We know. Okay. And pure substance has a definite set of physical and chemical properties is there. Water is a pure substance. Okay. So water property. What are the properties of water? It is a liquid. Correct? No. It is a liquid. That is flow. That is a physical property. Physically, what you observe, that is a physical property. Chemical properties means we can split that water into hydrogen and oxygen by electrolysis process. So that is any chemical properties. Okay, so all the elements, all the pure substance have definite physical and chemical properties is the. Then they are fixed melting and the boiling point is there. Okay, for example, water. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. So we can say it has fixed melting and a boiling point. All the pure substance have fixed and a melting and a boiling point is there. For example, if we add some salt or sugar into the water, there boils at a high temperature. Okay. If the water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, but if we add salt or sugar into that, their boiling temperature, that boils at a higher temperature only. Okay, so we can say that means that content, water plus salt is mixed with each other. So some impurity. Here impurity is salt. Okay, so some impurities present in that. So that is impure substance. Then that substance become impure. So we can say first point, pure substance have definite composition is the pure substance have definite composition is there. I told pure substance is divided into two, elements and compound. Elements and compound. What is element? Element is made up of only one kind of atom. Element is made up of only one kind of atom. ഒരൊറ്റ atom. Atom, what is atom? What is atom? It is the smallest unit of matter. Okay, we already studied now what is atom. Atom is the smallest unit of matter. Matter ഒരു ഭാഗം, ഏറ്റവും ചെറിയൊരു ഭാഗമാണ് atom എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, element എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ ആറ്റത്തെയാണ്. Elements are made up of only one kind of atom. For example, oxygen atom. In that oxygen atom, oxygen only. Okay, hydrogen atom means hydrogen only. Chlorine atom means chlorine only. So only one type of atom is there. That is elements. Elements are made up of only one kind of atom. Okay, compounds means atoms combine. We know atoms combine with another atom to form molecule. So compounds are made up of only one kind of molecule. For example, hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water molecule. Okay, hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water molecule. It is a special type of molecule or compound. Okay, clear now? And chlorine atom combine with another chlorine atom. So chlorine molecule is formed. One molecule of chlorine is formed. Okay, so this is also an example of compound. Okay, dear children. So first point, what is a pure substance? Are definite composition is there, it have characteristic color is there, characteristic order is there, characteristic taste is there. Okay, third point, it have definite set of physical and chemical properties. Pure substance have definite set of physical and chemical properties, and it has fixed set melting and boiling point. I told the elements, pure substance are divided into two, elements and compounds. Elements are made up of only one kind of atom, and the compounds are made up of only the one kind of molecule. Atoms combine to form molecules, so that type of molecule we can call compounds. Then we can say the atom, that is pure substance. That means elements cannot be broken into simpler substance. Okay, elements cannot be broken down into simpler substance. Okay, elements cannot. We already studied atom is the smallest unit of matter, so that is a element. Element is made up of only one type of atom. So that one type, only one type of atom. No, so atom cannot be broken down into similar forms. Is it clear, dear children? These are the properties of pure substance. Okay, Clear. The definition of pure substance is pure substance have definite chemical composition which has consistent properties throughout. Just consistent property throughout. So that property that is called pure substance, and the characteristic, it has characteristic color is there, characteristic odor is there, characteristic taste is there, and it have definite set of physical and chemical properties. It has definite physical and set of physical and chemical properties, and pure substance have fixed melting and boiling point. Okay, pure substance have fixed melting and boiling point is there. That's pure substance that cannot be broken. Okay, breaks down into simpler forms, and elements are made up of only one kind of atom. Compounds are made up of, what is that compounds? Compounds are made up of one kind of molecule. Is it clear now, dear children?